This piece is called Walking Mad and it's by Johan Inger. It's well known, it's been performed all over the world. You know, the dancing is exciting and fun, and it's a humorous piece that the audience will love to see.